Rise and energize with the breakfast that powers your day. A healthy breakfast gives us energy, it gives us brain power, the power to dance, save the big game, solve problems, create music. From the court to the classroom, rise and energize with us. Welcome to the Rise and Energize series, where we prepare a healthy breakfast that will energize your greatness. Today we're going to be making a banana sushi roll. Here are the ingredients we'll need. Banana, peanut butter, tortilla. We have raisins and cinnamon. I don't know how to say it. Cinnamon. I don't know how to say it. How do you say it? What do you say? I'm kids-friendly, not. Let's get started. So first we're gonna peel the bananas. Okay. Alright. Done. Next, we spread the peanut butter on the tortilla. Let's roll into this banana-tastic recipe. Get what? Oh yeah, get the stuff. Okay, now you just put the cinnamon in the middle, just like this. Dab a little bit of cinnamon. And I'm gonna sprinkle some of the raisins. Now I'm gonna put the banana in there. We are going to roll up the banana in the tortilla. I'm just gonna put some peanut butter there so I could stick it. Bananas are packed with potassium, which is great for keeping your body rolling and energized. Now we're gonna have our parents help us cut the sushi. Our parents make sure to buy the peanut butter that just has peanuts and a dash of salt listed in the ingredients. Let's roll into the taste test. Now we're gonna try it. This sushi is so good. Good. It's time to go bananas for this sushi roll. Rise and energize.